So the audio brand Ultimate Ears, they are launching a new powerful Bluetooth speaker for um people that want to throw a party pretty much. So it's a party speaker similar to what Sony has been releasing for some time now. It's just quite nice that they are delving into this. So they're not really an old audio brand. They've been in business for I think just a little bit of a few years now. Um, so this is their first major outdoor party speaker release that they have put out for some time now. They are gonna call this one the Hyperboom. It is much larger than their previous Megablast. They 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 say it's even much more kind of like louder than their Megaboom 3 and very powerful. That is going to give you a lot of sound output. It has Bluetooth 5.0, which pretty much can hook up to two devices at a time. So if you want to hook up two devices simultaneously, you can do that on the Hyberboom, and you can get to use any device that you want to play music, and it's gonna be fine. The battery lasts 24 hours on a single charge, so you can use it as your DJ speaker. You can use it in your home for party, just for quick party, and powerful sound. It's quite powerful. It has a lot of bass. um how clean the bass will be is another I'll probably say issue, because I don't know yet whether it will perform very well in terms of um sounding clean enough for high uh, um for for high volume. When you start putting high volume through all these portable Bluetooth boom speakers, they tend to distort and start giving you icky sound. Let's wait and see whether the Ultimate Ears Hyperboom would give you that problem, that same problem. It's coming with an adaptive EQ, so if it's maybe giving you some problem, you can EQ it, tune it to your liking, and get it to sound the way you would want it to sound. It is it's quite small, you understand. It's not too large, but it's definitely bigger than the previous models that they have launched, and it's priced at $400. So it's within reach for many people that want an outdoor party speaker. But you can get it and try it out if you really want to get a feel of quality sound on the outdoor. It is IPX4 splash resistant. It don't pour water on it, it will get it damaged, but it's splash resistant. Has a USB output. It's also very durable in terms of its functionality, and also compare with other boom speakers from the same company. And that is all you need to know. Be sure to follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.